The gland in the third eyelid is called a lacrimal gland. And dogs and humans both have one just up here. Dogs have an extra one in their third eyelid. In dogs, this is responsible for the majority of tear production. And without tears, the health of all of our eyes would rapidly deteriorate. The most common sign of cherry eye is a red oval mass protruding from the dog's third eyelid. It will often be swollen and can be irritating. If left prolapsed, dry eye can definitely develop, and this is something that you want to avoid. The exact cause of cherry eye is still unknown, but it's thought to be due to a weakness at the base of the gland, allowing it to flip up and become visible. Surgery is the only treatment. The medical condition commonly known as cherry eye, or more correctly, a prolapsed gland of the third eyelid, commonly occurs in breeds such as the American Cocker Spaniel, Beagle, Bulldog and Pekingese. But as gorgeous staffy Jedi here and his owner Sheridan know all too well, it can occur in any breed and occasionally in cats. Sheridan, tell us what happened to Jedi.
Well, when he was 3 months old, he developed this pink mass, which was protruding from his inner eyelid. So I took him to the vet and they gave me a topical ointment to reduce the swelling, which didn't seem to work, and he ended up needing surgery.
So it just kept popping out?
Yeah.
Was it aggravated or annoying?
Yeah, it didn't seem to annoy him, but it can obviously get quite irritated and red, and aesthetically it looked quite angry and sore.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah.
And so then how did the treatment or the surgery go? What happened there?
Really good. It was just a day procedure. He did need a general anaesthetic. They put some stitches, some dissolvable stitches, so he wasn't in any kind of discomfort. Although then the next week, the following eye also went, so we had to go through the whole procedure again.
But his eyes look great now, so it obviously worked very well.
Definitely.
Where are you off to? And did you expect to be having to pay money for surgery at the age of 3 months?
Absolutely not. I was quite surprised. Luckily, the breeder had organised a 6-week complimentary pet insurance, which ended up covering all of his bills. So we've continued with that because I definitely see the value throughout his life, because you just never know what's going to happen.
No, lucky Jedi, eh? Yeah, a lot of owners don't consider that their pet may have accidents or illness at any age, and cherry eye can definitely affect younger animals. Now, if you're like me and you've fallen in love with this handsome fellow here, you can follow him on Instagram at _MasterJedi. To find out more about how your pet can be covered at any age, visit the HIF website for more details.